Stray Kids, TikTok edits, ladies and gentlemen. Before I start, I've said this so many times, I'm posting exclusive Stray Kids and other K-pop groups on my Patreon. I'm exploring Long Shot, Boy Next Door, brother. They gave me my attention, and some other potential groups later on in the future. So again, if you want to support me, go check it out.
Wanna tell you 영감을 받은 척하고 뻔한 그 살 써봐도 결국에 so sick of being sober.
So 재현가 rap and vocals.
Baby, more sweeter than 네가 love more.
I remember this part of the music video. I thought that was fast forwarded. Holy shit! A center. Oh. N team are werewolves. Now in Hypen are vampires and N team are werewolves? What the fuck? Wow. Oh, this sounds familiar. Earth, Wind, and Fire. So he's a rapper. Yo, this is catchy. Their music is very upbeat. Shit. Feel good. They kind of remind me of 17. This is no disrespect to no 17 and Boy Next Door.
Yeah.
See, bro, hold on. It's already like just funk.
Let's get money.
Their music video is so catchy. I like his voice. Yeah, I like his voice. Yeah, this is a 2000 vibe. Yeah, this got that 2000 or 1990s pop. Wait, so are they vocalists or rappers? Now his vocal's something else. He's I did not just see a 2010 there. If he's 2010, how old is he right now?
They could describe everything with one single word.
Just the energy itself is wild. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, Megan. Whoa. Ladies, relax. I like that part of the choreo. Maniac. Yo, I have so many questions. Wait, what is this? Wait, 80s didn't collab. Yo, I'm telling you, Spanish 80s hits. Be a hit in here, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, I love this part of the choreo. Yo, I'm telling you, y'all song hits. Y'all song center hits. I mean, he's the main visuals. You're probably gonna wanna circle him. Why? Because he made visuals. Main visuals. That's his wifey right there, right, Hyunjin? Main visuals. Why wouldn't you want to circle the main visuals? His main visuals. You wanna bless your eyes. Main visuals. Kind of looks like. Yo, I'm not gonna say it. I did not take my Dulula pill for the past couple of days. I ran out. I should get some more Dulula pills. But it looks like they're about to gang. Dude, if I get canceled one day, don't defend me. Please don't defend me. No, I don't remember this. LOVE. I love you too, Lino. I love you too. Not as much as Han, but I still love you, brother. Alright? Respectfully. I saw this. Well, guess who lost? Christopher. My brother jumps like a kangaroo, man.
Every birthday means we are a year close to death. We are dying. That's what life is. The sooner we realize that, the better.
You know, he do be speaking facts. Matter of fact, this is slowly growing on me, or in me. Yeah, I'm actually looking forward to these. Jewa papi. Brother be spamming, just, I don't know. Bro, get a fucking job. Why is it just finished?
I love Changbin. I love Changbin.
We love Changbin. We love Changbin.
Ain't nowhere we could be if 2 or 3 don't agree.
Oh.
You and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah.
Anya Taylor. Respectfully. Back the fuck off. Oh, that's dangerous, man. You do not ever steal Changbin's food. Yeah. This is how we know Stray Kids or Astro Bangchan has news. They're right now, 2026. What is it? March. They're probably preparing for the next year comeback. They're already recording it. Ace for a reason. 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 Ace for a reason.
Chan bang, chan chan, bang bang, leak no, snowly, lily, no no, changbin, bin chang, chang chang, bin bin, hyunjin, jinhyun, hyunyun, jinjin, jisung, sungji, jiji, sung sung, Felix, leaks fe, fe fe, licks licks, Seungmin,
Ninsang.
Sung Sung, Min, Jongin, Ginjon, Chonjon, Gingen.
Why was Min song? Why was that high pitch? Huh? Bro, I saw this. This shit was hilarious.
I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside.
Baby girl, honey. Oh, like in the back. I mean, realistically, they must be tired. They must be really tired. Damn.
You don't know my name.
Damn.
No, that's me.
Where is this from? Wait, did they just release it? Because I've never seen this. Oh, they just released it. I'm gonna check this out on my Patreon. What? Yo, the translations are mostly correct, but some of them are, like, this part, I'm sorry to bother you, baby. He never said baby, but I guess Bubble knows how to make us stays Delulu more Delulu. 26. Time flight. What the Yo, what? Yo, this looks like if Stray Kids weren't K-pop idols, they be like the most known boys in Hongdae. For some reason, them putting up the middle fingers, it don't really suit them. I'm not gonna lie, it don't. But if again, Stray Kids weren't K-pop idols, I definitely see them running just Hongdae, being known as the biggest boy playboys. And I wouldn't mind getting played by them. He looks more matured and more handsome, manly. 현진? Bro, this was so funny. This was so funny.
비주얼인데.
비주얼.
앞줄이 별로래 창빈이가. 뭐야 음악에 대해서 뭐 한다고 저런 거 자꾸. 음악 알아?
Do you know music?
형 진짜 음악 알아?
Do you really know music?
와
Right?
미치겠네. 아 다시 할게요.
Bro, they're so funny throughout the recording studio. What the fuck? Yo, pull a Seungmin right now. Doctor Strain that shit, huh? No. No. No, that can't be you. That cannot be you. That cannot be you. One more time. That's either AI or you actually brought Lino in to make this TikTok. That cannot be you. What? There's no way. Bro, what? Bro. Makeup artist needs to hire your ass. There's
We make it right. Do it every day and night, baby, all day and night.
I genuinely I love your steez for that. Oh man. Oh shit.
We make it right. Do it every day and night. Oh yeah, baby, all day and night.
I can't.
I never slept with a man.
Why?
This doesn't make sense. But let it be done to me. That's the only reason we're alive. And it can stop tonight.
Wash each other's feet.
Bro, what?
Because you cannot wash your own feet.
Yes, I can.
Every birthday means we are a year close to death. We are dying. That's what life is.
You don't say.
Why don't I just shut up and be better? Let me just try this for 10 years. So, now, if you see this picture, you have to accept the fact that this is you, even though you never killed anyone.
Oh.
You were that one sperm. You were created out of that one sperm, out of 300 million. So just by being born, you're special.
Thank you.
I don't care. You're not even human. How can you be judged when you're a liver, when you're a lung, when you're a finger? How can you be judged? You're not even a man. If you marry Park, your last name changes to Park. Shut up. That's what the book is saying. You have no right to talk about the truth unless you made it. You get married. Congratulations. There's only one thing waiting for you. Disappointment. Hey, it's your 60th birthday. Hey, why are we clapping? It's just a year closer to death.
Bang Chan has a habit of going around after the show to just greet some stays. That's how you know he loves stays. Hey man, it happens. It happens, okay?
Meow 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 meow.
You made all the skis you're doing that meme.
Meow meow.
And let me guess, Changbin. And then Changbin, let me guess. Bro.
Oh yeah, freestyling, baby, all day. Oh yeah.
Bro, I feel like I'm gonna see a lot of these edits today. Some boba eyes. I didn't think Han had boba eyes. I thought Felix only did, but Han definitely does. Oh yeah, he definitely does.
Sorry, what was the question? Spending time together.
Yo, the rich laugh emoji.
Very simple but very important thing.
I mean, Seungmi in my old, I'm Multiverse in my old, he definitely knows how to speak English. I feel like he just kind of don't speak on purpose. I don't know. I don't know. Why are you surprised, Han? There we go. You be twerking in front of him. Why is that surprising to you? I don't know what this TikTok is saying. No, hold on. Whoever made this TikTok clearly don't know Stray Kids that well. IN exists because Bang Chan and Lin decided to breed one night. Are y'all new here? They're the parents for a reason. Clearly, who made this don't know Stray Kids.
Changbin. Yeah? You like Stray Kids? All we need is love, dreams, and Chang.
Позвонками есть небольшое расстояние, что позволяет ему гнуться почти
The
во
fact
все
that I'm
стороны.
thinking about Hyunjin already. My bias worker Linos. Y'all know Lino got that 90-something 8% Korean beauty standard, right? Don't sleep on Linos. Lee always got them nose. That's why he's Lino. I know you know Linos.
We make it right.
Oh, I can watch these all day. I can watch these all day.
X가 몇 번째지? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, S, T, U, V, W, X. 나 몇 번째니?
The Magnus. Bro, that's stop feeding my goddamn Delulu! Captions like these make me feed my Delulu.
Maybe the
date me. Maybe they don't all hate me. Maybe it's fine.
Sunshine duo.
Maybe it's something lately.
I'm getting bigger.
You don't know how to take me.
The sunshine duo, ladies and gentlemen.
오케이 여기서 힘 더 빼고
오케이.
더 여유 있게
오케이.
목 살짝 떠 있어서 내려놓고
오케이.
오케이
Yo! Please tell me you get this. Please tell me you get this. You get this, right? Hyunjin has a habit of being very close to the mic or the filter, whatever, when he records. But the recent Stray Kids recording studio, Hyunjin wasn't that close to the mic, so the captions did they break up. Do y'all get this? I get it. Why? Because I'm a true, real stay.
Hi everyone, this is Hyunjin from Stray Kids. It's really happy to be joining guests as a global ambassador.
Guess.
Let's enjoy this journey together. Thank you.
He probably rehearsed it many, many times. Remember, Felix is a girl's girl. He's a girl's girl, 100%. You know, I've seen too many of these. I've become numb to them. I've seen too many of these. Okay. I've seen too many of these. I'm numb to them again.
Amazing grace.
What's a Div 1? Division 1?
How sweet the sound.
What's a Division 1?
That saved a wretch.
What's a Division 1?
Like me.
What the heck is what's a Division 1? I have no idea what a Division 1 is, but anything that's in fourth gen K-pop, whatever, no one's topping Stray Kids right now.
It's the longest reply in the Stray Kids group chat.
Felix.
And brother's chronically online and he replies late.
You don't never want to listen to me. All you want to do is talk. Pull your pants down.
If Bang Chan says pull your pants down, you pull your pants down. Why? Because the father has spoken. The father once told me to get a buzz cut. What did I do? I got a buzz cut.
Maybe they don't want to date me. Maybe they don't all hate me. Maybe
I'll hold you back. Sis, don't you worry. I'ma hold your ass back. Cause you ain't getting to Bang Chan. I am. Don't you worry, sweetheart. Don't you worry. I'm gonna hold you back. I am gonna hold your ass back. Don't you worry.
I don't think that we should be together. And I've thought about it a lot. And
wait, what was Lino Hall of Fame?
If it's love, I want everything. Touch my soul, touch my heart, don't judge
When
my
was
mental.
this?
They told me that life is simple. Been real since I'm a pimple. I started out in the Renault Sonata, the presidential. Speak once and
I mean, means in their own world. Not that surprising. What is this? What song is this? Top line.
Look at me now, how about now you can't deny. 이미 야만한 사람 다 그러겠지만 너 왜 성화 Freedom top.
Oh, Arcane. What?
돈자랑 몸자랑 맥주랑 니자랑 잠이나 쳐자랑 남들은 밥자랑 들어 시간을 잘난 걸 만드는 잘난 내 혓바닥 가지는 바람 들어가지고 겁내어 차시랑 Somehow I think we're better off just you're my heartbeat
Gave up my youth for my I mean, I gotta say, there's a lot of songs here that I did not know Stray Kids collab with.
Took a deal, sign another deal, post up in the hills on the real, headed
Woo
for a mill, travel with me
Youngs.
still, getting kills, all this pop appeal, got these pop stars try popping in, and they getting pop for real. I ain't tryna build, I
Woo
was
Young and
tryna
Changbin.
lead a mill, getting to it. Before I hopped up off the block, I was still going through it. Friends doing pills, and came faster than it should've. I was buddy.
They're literally the same person but from a different universe.
Yeah, like it's nothing.
Right? It's like multiverse happening. Two same person from this different universe coming together.
Cause I'm dropping buckets. Ay, yeah, like it's nothing. Ay, earn my respect and burn a budget. Ay, tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby. Yeah, I'm dropping buckets. Drop some cash for me, don't worry about my past for me. I'm driving with no gasoline.
They're literally
it's like
twins.
I live a fantasy. Yeah, I do this for my.
파이팅.
갓보다 단단해 감히 판단해.
이거 살짝 너무 귀여웠어.
그래?
카와이에서 너무. 알아,
Hey,
귀여운 거 알아.
민성 in their own world. They don't care about recording. They care about being in their own world.
We make it right.
잘 들었다. 이걸로 써주시면 돼요. 그 다음 파트 뭐예요 이제?
Get out. Get out. Hey, I've been telling you, he's a girl's girl. Felix is a girl's girl, 100%.
This is the way I have my fun. Sending a takeoff touch the sun, cleansing the world that I ain't done. This is the way I have my fun.
지치고 나의 세계의 벽도 다르지 우리 선도 내 모습의 범도
지금 나의 세계의 벽도 다르지 우리 선도 우리 내 모습의 범도.
덩기덕 쿵더러러 덩기덕 쿵더러러 쿵더러러
We make it right, we make it right
We make it right, we make it right.
이놈이나 철갑보다 단단해 감히 판단해 대답
이놈이나 철갑보다 단단해 감히 판단해.
풍수지리 상내 어깨 창창해 높이 활활해
풍수지리 상내 앞길 창창해 높이 활활해.
덩기덕 쿵더러러
Felix, man.
덩기덕 쿵더러러
덩기덕 쿵더러러.
덩기덕 쿵더러러 덩기덕 쿵더러러
Hyunjin's face card never declines. His face card never, ever declines. He told me I look good. He told me I look good. What? Someone got. I think, like, everything aside, if I ran into Stray Kids in public, like, let's just say, I'd be extremely respectful. Extremely respectful. I'm gonna bow, I'm gonna speak Korean to them.
I lose my breath.
I lose my job.
I'm a giant.
I'm trying.
No one, nobody can stop me.
You've seen this, right?
Nobody can stop me.
네, 손님. Every time we move, the universe will follow. Every time we move, the universe will follow. Follow.
Yep.
Follow. Follow.
Bom diggy diggy bom 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 bom
Easy cares, I get the time I eat my wife to cruise, I let the easy cares, I get the time I eat my wife to cruise, I let you.
Yo, brother making out with the mic. Oh. Dude, don't. I knew it. I knew it.
Oh yeah, freestyling, baby, all day. Oh yeah! Living the deep inside my head, you got me back. Get on moving on my way.
Falling in the deep inside my head, you got me back.
어떡하냐?
Moving on my way.
Crash, crash. 오케이, 오케이. We just gonna dance. 미스테이크.
Plow through the storm, yeah I know. 숨 막혀 잔인함의 연속. Okay.
This is gonna be a twist. And then she's gonna be like, psych! Yo, what? There's no psych? Is this a joke? What joke? I was just recording. Oh, I was reorganizing them in this region. Oh, okay. God, you got me. You got me there.
I was duped by a saucing pretending to be Bang Chen for about 4 months.
I watched this 8-part series on Instagram. Let me give you the summary so you don't have to go and watch the entire thing. So this started when this woman, Haley, who's making the videos, started doing these live streams, and in the chat of these live streams there would be this account claiming to be Bang Chan. The way that they would type in the chat sounded a lot like how Bang Chan talks.
How
I guess
do you know
just like
what?
same typing quirks that he displays on Bubble. I suppose. And it felt very believable, and she would do these live streams frequently to talk to this person who she genuinely believed was like Bang Chan on like a alt account, I guess. So it moves on from the live stream chat to them just talking one-on-one, and it becomes more and more believable because he diverges information to her about events that they're going to before the events are announced. Hence why this is assessing, but she didn't realize that at the time. She was like, oh, well, it has to be Bang Chen, because how would he know about these events if it's not
But 사생s will know because they're 사생s.
Despite the fact that she believes pretty wholeheartedly that this is Bang Chen, she does have a shred of doubt in the back of her mind that keeps growing and growing and growing, to the point that it causes her a lot of stress, and her husband advises that she cut off all contact with this person, pretending
She has a husband?
keeps growing and growing and growing, to the point that it causes her a lot of stress, and her husband advises that she cut off all contact with this person, pretending to be Bang Chan, but she thinks it is Bang Chan, and she doesn't listen to her husband. So what starts to really raise red flags for her is when they talk about music to each other. So they were trying to talk about music, and this person didn't really understand certain production and music theory verbiage, so that was raising a red flag. This person also was talking to a bunch of other different people, not just Haley, and I guess they were kind of in a big group chat with each other. And one of the really big flags, I'm sorry, this is just so insane. One of the really big flags was when this Bang Chan would send songs that he was working on to this group chat, and it was pretty obvious that it was being created by AI, but the Bang Chan person would deny it. So this woman Haley, this is where it gets genuinely nuts. This woman Haley, her husband works in like the some AI company, like developing AI for companies. So she asked her personal AI, her personal chat GPT, which she named Victoria, by the way, to run diagnostics on these songs to verify if they were AI, and what do you know? They were AI generated. So that was what really like broke the illusion and made Haley realize that this person obviously was not Bang Chan and was just assessing, pretending for some reason. She then asked her AI, Victoria, to do this like spy movie ass background check on this person, and found like their personal like information and whatnot, and sent reports to JYP. So yeah.
My humble but very delusional opinion on anyone thinking that they're talking to an idol, I will never understand that, because this kind of reminds me of that saying, there's always a bigger fish in the sea. When you think you're delusional, don't worry. There's someone more delusional out there than you. Just when I thought I was delusional, clearly there are.
거기 어딨나 혹시 남자친구 있어요?